62 Charlie Delta. All right. We'll get our lights. Camera's automatic. Action. Gonna have a little crosswind from the left, about 10 knot crosswind, but that's all right. I didn't want to take 5. This way they'll blast me.
2028, contact departure.
Go in the proper direction.
Go on departure, American 2028.
All right, power set. Everything's in the green. Airspeed's alive. Roll in a lot of aileron here. Bob's great. Gears coming up. Lights off. Goddamn phone. Shallow this out a little bit. Yeah, we'll turn. Well, what do you think, old man? Well, we'll turn.
Charlie Delta, contact departure.
Over to departure, 8 Charlie Delta, good day. Green for departure, Baron 628 Charlie Delta is 1800, climbing 3000, runway heading.
628 Charlie Delta, departure radar contact, climb and maintain 7000.
Okay, 7000, 8 Charlie Delta.
FedEx 1724, contact tower 191.
This is Tower FedEx 1724, good day.
8 Charlie Delta, clear direct Moorhead.
Straight Moorhead, 8 Charlie Delta. Alright, let's get that in there. Alright, there we go. Get our prop synced up a little better.
November 8 Charlie Delta, are you in the bases yet?
Yes, sir. It was a very thin layer, and I'm about to get on top here at about 2500.
Okay, roger, thanks.
All right, we're in between layers. It's clear over there, a little cloudy over there. Beaufort traffic, Baron 8 Charlie Delta's on the left base, runway 8, Beaufort.
Terrain system not available.
Now what's up with that? My GPS integrity went away for a second, now it's back.
Terrain system available.
And Beaufort traffic, Baron 8 Charlie Delta's turning final, runway 8, Beaufort. Alright, everything's been done but the yaw damp.
Terrain system not available.
So windy down here. Watch out for the boat. Alright, yaw damp's away. 3 green, no red. Lights are on, mixture's rich, flaps are full. Everything's done but the yaw damp. Come on, man. My goodness, that was wind just going all over the place. And no GPS. I don't know what's up with that. And for traffic, Baron 8 Charlie Delta is clearing active off of Bravo.
Boom on traffic, jet share 795, taking off runway 83 out.
Jets are departing. You're not having any GPS issues, are you?
None that we know of so far.
Okay, I lost mine on short final for some reason. I don't know what's up with that. Alright, I don't know. Lost the GPS. Poor satellite coverage. Oh well, we'll see. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.